This is a very complicated project. We have several layers and non-vertical walls. This whole house was designed in such a style which is called deconstructivism, where we almost don't have any 90-degree angles, and we combine different materials. And we were looking for subcontractors who can take risks and who can experiment with different materials and with different combinations. It's quite rare to find such contractors who actually understand design concept and ready to get out regular routine and make something really innovative. We combine different types of hardwood, and which is very not easy to be done on top of the radiant floors, and connection between the hardwoods of different types and concrete floor with cork separation, which is again a very unusual way to do with all expansion slots. And also in this house we have been using so-called museum bays, which is important to make everything perfect. So carpet installation, EPEF floor, acacia, different other types of wood, and cork and cement. Which makes this project unique, and I'm so happy that we found elephant floor, and I'm extremely satisfied with the result.